This Camry won't leave engine misfire and engine makes bad sound. After running diagnose with scan tool, I found cylinder number 1 is missing very badly. So I decide to run pressure test on all cylinders. Then I found no pressure in cylinder number 1. So I start removing engine head. After removing air intake, I found bend valve. So this is what I found. Something went into cylinder which caused damaging the piston and valve. I am sure this happens when customer visit workshop to clean up engine air filter. Be careful next time, only visit workshop with good mechanics. Hit subscribe to know more.